Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Flip, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, not the camera app. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Update. Now let's enter Reset options, and as you can see at the top we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it. And here your device is informing you that it will reset all network settings, including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So if you're ready, just tap on Reset Settings. Be aware that you cannot undo this action, so tap on Reset Settings again and wait until your device will reset all network settings. We had this information, which means that it just accomplished it successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.